జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. సుందరకాండ. As and how when someone is very thirsty, how the water gives them life, so also Sita's words, Sita's speech gives me happiness to that extent. Like that, Rama said to Hanuman, now saying to Lakshmana like this, "Oh Lakshmana, I could see Chudamani, but I am unable to see Sita. Oh Lakshmana, Chiranjivati Vaidehi Yadimasam Dharishyati." Sita said she will be able to be alive for one more month. That means nothing happens to Sita. Sita will be able to be alive for lifelong. But Lakshmana, kshanam saumya na jiveyam vinatam asite kshanam. Without having Sita, I am unable to be alive. I do not want to be alive even for a second. Oh Lakshmana, can you please take me to Sita? Because we know where exactly Sita, natishteyam kshanamapi. I am unable to delay anymore. I want to go there. Can you please take me to Sita? I don't know how Sita is able to be in the middle of all those demons. How she is living over there. Like that Rama said to Lakshmana, and now saying to Hanuma, "Oh Hanuma, now please tell me, what are all the things that Sita asked you to tell me? Please tell me as it is. Please tell me in Sita's words. Madhura, Madhura Lapa." Oh Hanuma, my Sita is such a beautiful girl and she speaks very well. Kimahamama bhamini. Such Sita Devi. What she told for me, please tell me everything. How she is being there without me, from the separation from me, how she is living over there, and what exactly she asked you to tell me, please tell me. Like that, punah punaha, again and again, Rama asking Hanuma. Rama asking Hanuma, please tell me everything that Sita asked you to tell me. Then Hanuma saying, Sitaya bhashitam sarvam nyavedayata raghave. Hanuma telling everything what Sita Devi asked him to tell Rama. Saying that, oh Rama, Sitamma mentioned something what happened when you both were in Chitrakutam. Saying that, oh Hanuma, she said like this, oh Hanuma, one day Rama was sleeping in my lap. He kept his head in my lap. And one crow comes again and again and hurts me, bites me on my chest. After that, it got wounded and then slowly blood started bleeding. When that blood touched Rama, Rama immediately got up and asked, "Come on, tell me, Sita, who hurted you? Who bited you like this? Kakridati saroshena, panchavakrena bhogina. I am like 5-headed dreadful serpent. Who is that wants to fight with me? Who is that daring to go against me? Come on, tell me." Like that, Rama asked, and then he started looking around and he found one crow there. That crow is son of Devendra. Oh Rama, what Sita said is, then sadarbham samstarat gruhya brahmastre nahi ayojayaha. You have taken one blade of grass from the darbhasanam and you invoked brahmastra mantram and shooted at that crow. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama. हे हे सीतारामा हे हे सीतारामा. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.